Yep, last night my AC went out. Here's my unit, and if I put my hand, cold air. Right here is our problem. Let's open it up and I'll show you what's going on. Safety first. So by your AC, you're gonna find your little disconnect over here. You're gonna open it, pull this out, okay? Put it on top. That kills the power. I took those 4 screws off, and that's what you're gonna see on the inside. Now what we're looking for is this device right here. There's 2 capacitors in one. One capacitor starts this fan, and the other capacitor starts the compressor. And that's why there's 2 sizes here. There's a 30 and a 7.5 microfarad capacitor. So we're gonna go run to the store, go get another one. Safety first. So this is a live capacitor that we just took out. Now, as you're working on it and you disconnect the wires, what you didn't see me do is actually discharge this capacitor. I wanted to show you an important safety tip. You're gonna see some contacts here. This one here says C, that's for common. This one here says fan. From here to here is one capacitor. So I'm just gonna touch a screwdriver like this and discharge it. And I'm keeping my hands on the insulated part. This next set of terminals, this one will say HERM, so that's your compressor. And so same thing, I'm gonna go between common and HERM and discharge the capacitor. That discharges it, and now this is safe to handle. All right, so you just saw me replace it, and let's fire it up and let's check it out. There we go. All right, so we heard the compressor start up, the fan started, and guess what? Yep, I've got hot air coming out. That's what we want. We want hot air coming out here, cold air inside the house.